Hello guys,
Hi.
how are you?
How am I?
Yeah.
I'm doing great. How
Yeah.
are you?
I'm doing bad
Bad?
because I'm with you.
Oh, is my driving really that bad?
No, I'm just joking. Hi guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today I have again, who's this?
Tatiana.
Tatiana Pavlovich.
Yes.
Yes, I know this last name.
Yes.
It looks like Balkanese.
Yes.
Oh, that's
Very.
great. Yeah, that's great. How are you, Tatiana? Today you have a test today, right?
I do.
Yeah, are you ready?
I think so.
Okay, perfect.
I hope so.
Oh, okay, perfect. So, guys, we are in Chatham, so we're gonna practice G2, how you get ready for G2, and what's the exam route. So when you get in, and checking in, we're gonna check. I'm gonna help you how to check in. After we check in, we're gonna come to the car. We're gonna wait for examiner. So when the examiner comes to you, window down and show your license. What's your name? What's your date of birth? Then press the brake, right signal, left signal, honk the horn. Beep beep. Let's try honk the horn. Beep 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 beep. Great. One time enough. After that, examiner inside the car. Do you wear glass contact lens?
No, I do not.
Do you have any medical problem?
No.
Are you sure?
Not that I'm aware of. Maybe mentally.
Mentally? Did you sleep well?
I did sleep well.
That's great.
Although I did see a scary movie last night and I got some bad dreams, but
Oh, really?
Yes.
Which movie?
Smile 2.
Smile 2?
It traumatized me.
Oh my god.
I was crying and I got mad at my boyfriend because he dragged me there.
My favorite is Walking Dead. I finished all episodes Walking Dead.
Of Walking Dead?
Yeah. Have you watched Walking Dead?
No, I haven't watched Walking Dead.
Yeah, it's so funny. It's so good, and then it's yeah.
I hate scary movies. I can't watch them.
Okay. So you ready?
Yes.
Let's go.
Okay. Handbrake, because I forgot that last time. And here we go. It's going to drive.
That's great. Okay. Turn right here. So look around before you're going. Here, come this side. This side, this side, this side. Yes. Okay, wait for this guy. Okay. Go straight. Okay, actually, let's wait. Examiner is coming. Let's wait for examiner. After the examiner pass, so we're gonna go.
All right.
Okay, the examiner is there. Okay, so go straight here, slowly. Turn left. Behind this car. Go up a little bit. Pull up. Yeah. Left. Then we're gonna go right. Perfect. Then right signal. Weather is good today again.
Oh yeah. Although I do like it when it's cold. Someone's playing their music very loud.
Yeah. That's right, yeah. Okay, look at the left side. Yeah, they wanna show up, right? Okay, the car is coming over there. It's hard to see. So again, yeah, it's again car coming, yeah. And the guy blocked the sidewalk as well. You cannot see. Okay, I see. Okay, let's go.
I can go?
Yeah.
Okay.
Go.
I can feel the vibrations from the car.
Yes, loud music.
Very loud.
Okay, if the school bus in front of you stop at the rail track, so you can stop also. Just only a couple seconds. Yeah, it's law in Ontario. Oh, I think in Canada as well.
Or the school buses to stop at the
Yeah, rail track.
Oh,
Yeah.
I didn't even know that.
Yeah, it happened. Big accident happened before with the school buses. Then a lot of people died in the train
Gosh, that's
accident.
horrible.
Yeah. If something happened after that, they make a law, right?
Yeah.
So just look around.
big truck. I've never seen one of those. It has
Yeah.
4 wheels.
Yes,
on the back.
yes. It's a heavy duty.
Yeah.
Heavy duty. You never seen this kind of truck?
No, I haven't.
Because you don't drive so much. That's why.
That's true.
Turn right. Okay, just to check blind spot as well before turning. Okay, perfect. Over 80 flavors. Oh,
Right, of ice cream?
yes. Okay, which one is correct? Flavors or flavors?
Flavors.
Flavors.
Yes.
Welcome to English class. Flavors. Flavors.
Although flavors does sound fancier. Maybe I'll start using that from now on.
Good. Your speed is good, 50. Yes. Check this kind of roads. Look far, look wide. So yield sign is coming. So what you gonna do for the yield sign? So turn right. Sorry, slow down. Check blind spot once. Slow down. If there is a car, stop. Here. Come this side. Look at there. Car is stopped. Let's go.
Okay.
Yeah. If there is no car, you can go. If there is a car and pedestrian, then you have to wait for them.
Got it.
Yield sign.
Yes.
So we're gonna turn right here. Slow down, check blind spot here. Turn. Short. Oh no.
Would I have failed that?
If there is a car, yes. If there is no car, you will lose point.
Okay.
Checkpoint. Check both sides. Yes. Okay. Let's go straight. Because your speed was a little bit high.
Got it.
Yeah. Be on the right side. Turn left.
Stop sign.
Stop sign means
Stop.
Stop.
For 3 seconds.
yeah. Uno, dos, tres. Check both sides.
Both sides are clear.
Clear, then go.
Okay.
Okay, there is one car is waiting for you there.
Ooh, it's parallel park.
Yes. Okay.
All right.
So when you're approaching for the car, what you gonna do first? Right? Signal.
Right.
Look mirror. Is there anyone coming behind you? Okay. Mirror to mirror. Oh, you missed.
That's
Reverse.
a little bit.
Okay, go back a little bit. Perfect. So one to the.
One to the right.
Yep. Perfect. Look at back. Is there anyone coming behind?
No.
Yeah. Then keep looking back. Okay. 45-degree angle. One to the left. Perfect. After 1 hour later.
You need to put the Squidward audio over that 1 hour later.
Go back. Go back.
Further?
Further. Yes.
Okay.
So look at the now small mirror. At the small mirror, it's a V shape. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. Then all the way. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Park and handbrake. Straighten the wheel. One more. Okay. Perfect.
Okay.
So, let's go. Mirror, signal, and blind spot. Then go. Okay, this is parallel parking. Good job.
Okay.
So pull over. Pull over, no signal. Oh no! Signal. Yes. Okay, 3-point turn. Actually, if you check mirror, signal, blind spot, it's better for pull over.
Okay.
3-point turn. Yeah, good three. You did good 3-point turn.
Yes.
No. I just okay. All the way left. Mirror. Signal. Blind spot. Shoulder check. Which shoulder check? Yes, this side. Oh, who is gonna come from this
I
side?
did both.
Okay. Oh, maybe this guy is gonna
Yes,
come.
exactly.
Yes. Okay.
I had to make sure he doesn't run me over.
Yeah. Okay. Let's do the point turn here. You're right. Maybe this guy is gonna come from this side.
Okay. Reverse.
All the way.
Oh, that's a cute kid.
Oh, look at the grandpa. He's taking care of the baby.
That's sweet.
Okay, look at back. You're not looking back. Hey, I'm here.
I should look here.
Yeah. Okay. That's it. Drive all the way to the left. Go fast. The guy is going back. He doesn't have a patient. Yeah. Okay, go straight. Oh, okay,
I
perfect.
think we need to do some more of those.
Yes, we're gonna do a couple more. Okay, don't worry. Pull over.
To the right?
Yep.
Okay.
Yeah. Right signal. Here, blind spot. Come this side, then stop. Okay. So we have downhill parking all the way to the
Right.
yeah, right. Park, handbrake. Okay, let's go.
Okay.
Mirror, left signal,
Left
blind
signal,
spot,
Blind spot.
then go.
Okay.
Cancel signal. Turn right. Right? Yes. Shoulder check. Go straight. Turn left. Okay. Good turning. Yeah. Turn left. At the traffic light, turn left. Shoulder check. Yep.
10 hours later.
Check both sides, then go. First lane. Yeah, first lane. Perfect. So go straight. So if it is safe, and change your lane to right. Look at mirror. Watch your speed. Shoulder check. This, yeah. Cancel signal. Perfect. So then watch your speed. 50. So go back to the left again. Go to drive test center. Yeah. Okay. Watch your speed. 50. Always watching your speed. Check both sides. Left. Shoulder. This shoulder.
This is my left hand, this is my right. cat is on the left and the dog is on the right.
I keep wanting to go on the
Yeah.
shoulder. Here, right?
Left, yeah. A bit slow. Then turn right. Here, shoulder. Turn. Turn here. Okay, go straight a little bit. Park left. Left signal. Yeah. Okay. Park and handbrake. Handbrake. Okay. So.
Okay.
If you are giving left signal, left shoulder.
Right.
Okay. If you are giving right signal, then right shoulder.
Got it.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Let's fix your brain. Okay. Thank you guys for watching, and
you.
so we're gonna do mock test. Okay.
Yeah.
Let's see how you're gonna do in the mock test. Please subscribe our channel, like our videos. All the best.
Yes. And wish me good luck.
Yeah.